Welcome to our basic tutorial series on Microsoft Teams. In this first video, we are going to install Microsoft Teams onto an iOS device. Okay, let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is go to the App Store on your iOS device. In the search bar, you'll need to type in Microsoft Teams. On the Microsoft Teams preview page, you'll be able to see a quick glance some of the features that Microsoft Teams offers, as well as its rating. Press the Get button. Next, press Install. You'll need to enter in your Apple ID password. You will need an Apple ID to install any applications from the App Store. Install time will vary depending on your Wi-Fi connection speeds. Click Open. Now you are ready to sign in to Microsoft Teams, either with a work or home account, or you can sign one up for free.